You're about to unveil the power of AI, and I'm excited. Don't you want to be the best in your field? We're living in an age of AI where speed, accuracy, and innovation separate the leaders from the rest. Within this post, there's a link you can click that can absolutely change your life. I'm Dr. Antoinette Smith, founder of Next Level Achieved. I was among the first in my circle to introduce and demonstrate generative AI to colleagues, family, and friends, and I've been leading ever since. The difference between those who thrive and those who fade is knowing how to harness AI for research and writing, and doing it now. This course gives you more than step-by-step mastery. You'll unlock a growing vault of AI-powered research and writing strategies with new content added every month so you never fall behind. And you won't be doing it alone. You'll join a community of researchers, writers, and innovators who share breakthroughs, swap insights, and push each other toward unstoppable growth. Today, you're not just purchasing a course, you're making the choice to stay ahead, stand out, and level up in the age of AI.